What day is it today? August 2nd. Morning time, 11:08, and I'm in my Yasue and I are here in my Thursday school supervisor's car. We're all going to some special summer only limited edition type of restaurant, and
Running Noodles.
Yeah, Running Noodles. Running Noodles, waterfall noodles. We'll see. I've only heard of it, but it's summer only.
I guess so.
Yeah. So yeah, who would want to do it in the winter? You know, it's so cold and yeah. So that's where we're going right now. All right. So we're here at the spot, kind of. I can see it's lined up like crazy, but this place has like waterfalls and stuff, so it's like in the mountains. It's kind of near last year. We did like that walking event where me and like all the other students and all the staff or whatever walked up the mountain and back down. This is like in that area, in that direction. Look at this. Kids are just playing in the water. Wow. Look at this. There's like a freaking waterfall over here. Wow. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I'm still like not fully awake. We just woke up and got to sleep pretty late last night because the trains and stuff got us back very late. This is cool. Look at that. What? Whoa! It's jumping. It's going crazy. What is that? Wow. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Oh! Oh, whoa! What the heck? My supervisor's daughter, her kids are here, and she just grabbed that thing. Wow! What is that? Dang! Wow! She's brave, man. She just grabbed that. What the heck? So check this out. This is like the restaurant area is like right there. That's this wooden house right there. That's the restaurant. And they built it like along Yasue's forehead. I'm just kidding. They built it like along this like creek. It's pretty cool, you know. How did they like walk up this mountain, see this little creek river area, and decide like let's build a restaurant right here? That's pretty it's pretty cool. Like I'm wondering like how they did the construction up here. It's pretty busy today, so we've been waiting in line for like an hour. And if you're also curious, that's right. Oh, what the heck? Something just fell on my finger. Anyways, this weekend, I am not counting my macros because I just want a break. I just need a break. Sometimes you gotta take that break, you know? Felt pretty shitty after kind of going too hard in the gym and not taking breaks. So after waiting about 2 hours, we're finally at the top.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. I'm gonna order up here, check it out. They don't have any pictures for this stuff, it kind of sucks. But these ones, they have like, this is actually the real food. Like, this is not even display. Kind of a waste of food, but you know, whatever. Also, I'm more awake now. Finally feel more awake. Earlier I was like gone. Yeah, I still like had like 1 or 2 hours of sleep. She said she couldn't fall asleep. She said she's awake. I'm not awake. I wasn't awake, now I'm awake. So, we finally got seated, check this out. And they give you this little thing with the soup, or I don't know, sauce? I don't really know what to call it, but so Yasue got an onigiri and a cucumber. Check it out, you just sit here and on this bamboo slide, water's flowing down, and the noodles are supposed to come down here, and you just like grab them as they come down, eat them. and anything that's left over gets caught in the bowl down there. And they call this Nagashi Somen, which is like falling waterfall noodles or something. Yeah, so pretty cool. I've never seen this before in real life. So, and then my supervisor is over there with all her kids. In the blink of an eye, all of those noodles passed me. Oh crap! It's coming. I got some. I got some. I can't. I'm holding with the wrong hand. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. So, you know, my supervisor told us that the portions have gotten smaller over time, right? And so, you know, we were like, okay, we're gonna order 3 person's portions because we want to make sure we're full. Look how many noodles we effing got. And that's not all. Even over there, there's more. So, looks like this is actually gonna be a challenge. Can we do it? Do you think we're gonna eat all of these freaking noodles? Holy shit. I did not expect it to be this much. Oh my god. So we finished one of them. Slowly getting rid of this one. This one's slowly going down. Waiting on some sauce because I'm out. 0 left. OMG. We did it. Holy crap, we did it. So we're over here at the station, and because today is the day of the Gongo Matsuri, which is the 2nd biggest festival in Tsuyama. What?
It's dark.
It's okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, so anyways, I'm dark, it's okay, you can still hear my voice. 2nd biggest festival in Tsuyama. And last year when I first came to Tsuyama, if anybody watched those videos way back then, I wasn't even vlogging, I was literally just posting random clips. You can see clips from last year's Gongo Matsuri, and it's like a fireworks festival and a bunch of food stands and everything. But last year it was raining, right? So you couldn't really see the fireworks very well. Hey, give me the lights on. Yeah, so like, anyways, but this year it's not raining. The weather is perfect, you know. So we're gonna be able to see the fireworks very well. And I'm here with Yaso. She's holding the camera. And anyways, so it's been, as of this past Monday, it's been exactly this past Monday was exactly a year since I came to Japan. And so I've been here for a year now. So I thought it'd be pretty interesting to let you guys know just. I think I'm gonna do like 3 of the best things and 3 of the bad things about living in Japan. You feel me? So we're gonna continue this after we get to the river. Alright, so over there, as you can see, all those lights up and down the river, those are all the little stands selling food, little games and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, we're down here, it's like a freaking Taiwanese night market. You can smell some stinky tofu too. That's disgusting. Look over there. This is the mascot of Tsuyama. You see the little Kappa guy? The Kappa guy on the little building over there, that's Gongo, which is the mascot of Tsuyama. So we're gonna try to get some food. Look at all the stands. Here we go. Check it out, guys. I got this fly Adidas little fanny pack where I'm keeping my money. So you want a beef one? Can you hold this for me? So we got 2 of these beef barbecue things. 500 yen a piece. I don't like that. That's pretty expensive. It started! The main event! The main event! Bam! Bam! Oh shit! Woo! Whoa, it's like fireflies. Wow, it's like fireflies. Whoa! Dude, that's like fireflies. That's cool. Oh wow, part 1 is finished. Wow! Part 2. I'm going to try to record as much as possible. The hearts. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Smiley face. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, the sparklies.
Yeah. I like this.
Yeah, that one's, oh my gosh, it looks so cool in real life, guys. It's like, whoa. It doesn't even look real. It looks like a TV screen, you know? Like, that's crazy. Whoa!
Many spirits.
Yeah. Oh.
Big.
Oh yeah, that's like there's a video game. That's like a Final Fantasy X. All right, number 2, done. Time to buy some smoothies. I'm so hot now. All right, part 3. I just saw some of my students, and they saw Yasuo, and they were very excited. It's kind of funny. Yasuo was of course embarrassed because they said she was cute and stuff, you know. Whoa. That's like a maple leaf. That's just... What are these guys doing? What are they doing? What are these guys doing? What is going on here? Boys wrestling? Boys wrestling? Whoa. They're fighting for real, man. Well, that's what happens when you run into a really big guy and then he tells you to say sorry and you don't say sorry and you get beat up. But earlier they were announcing all the sponsors for the fireworks, right? Looks like they forgot to have someone sponsor the music because the music's gone. Yeah. That was interesting. Met my students. Get to see some rabbit fireworks. Get to see 2 people wrestling. I like the echo. This girl looked at me. She's like, "What are you doing?" It's like.
That's a cat.
No, that's the little weird whistling ones. Wait a second, I think something impressive is about to happen. Whoa! 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 Lighting up the sky. Wow, I like that one. I like those red ones. Those are nice. Yellow. Whoa, whoa. The big ones, the big rainbow ones.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Big sound.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. That's the best one. That's the best one. What the fuck? Whoa. Whoa. I like the ones that look like fire and they're shooting out. Wow. Oh my God. It's epic. Alright, so the festival is over. How was it? What did you think?
It was good.
It was good? What did you think about the fireworks?
Huh?
How about the fireworks?
Yeah, it was good.
How about meeting my students?
So Thomas is popular among students.
I don't mean to toot my own horn, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Oh, I was like zoomed in a little bit.
It's like you are the only foreigner in Tsuyama.
I'm the only what?
Only foreigner in Tsuyama.
Oh yeah, that's not true at all. There's plenty of foreigners in Tsuyama. Nikki? Yeah. I wonder if Nikki's here,
Oh yeah.
you know? Alright, well, we're gonna head back to the station now. So, check in later. Oh my gosh. Why is Yasuo still here? Why is she in my apartment? She's supposed to be going home to Fukuyama. I'm just kidding. Anyways, she's gonna call the taxi company. Let's see. I told her she should learn the name of my place and let's see if she remembers. She's gonna reserve a taxi for tomorrow morning because she's gonna go back to Fukuyama in the morning because the trains and everything were crowded like crazy tonight after the festival. Like you could only imagine. Like it was crazy. So. Oh my goodness. We have done it, boys and girls. 300 subscribers. Woo! It's kind of late at night, so I'm trying to be quiet, but Yasuo was my 300th subscriber. Last time number 200 was Juan, number 300 Yasuo. But anyways, we did it, guys. I'm gonna talk more about this tomorrow, but it's really late right now, so yeah.